Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm an engineer at Cassia Networks. I'll be giving you an overview of the IoT Access Controller, an easy-to-use, centralized solution for managing hundreds of gateways. Deployment is quick and easy. Users have the option to deploy the access controller on a cloud server like AWS or Azure, a private server, or an on-premise server. Let's give a quick overview of the Cassia IoT Access Controller. First, let's log in. Cassia's Access Controller, or the AC, enables easy deployment and management of Cassia Bluetooth gateways. It can monitor thousands of end devices from one centralized interface. Let's go to the statistics page. Users can see real-time data of throughput, memory, CPU, gateway status, device status, API calls, and traffic. On a maintenance page, you can manage gateway firmware, gateway container software, and container applications. Now let's visit the Gateways page. Upgrading the gateway firmware is simple. Select all the gateways you want to upgrade. Make sure that they are all the same model. For example, these two gateways are X2000s. Open the More Options menu, hover over Gateway, press Upgrade, and press OK. Select the appropriate firmware version and press OK to upgrade both gateways. The AC also provides edge computing capabilities through the management of containers and container applications running on Cassia's gateways. Let's take a look at what we can do with one gateway. Click on a gateway and go to the Container tab. Expand the App section. And here you can see the application installed. Expand the Container Operations section. We have 4 operations: delete, reset, stop, and remote login. To perform these actions, as well as installation and uninstallation on multiple gateways, the user can select multiple gateways of the same model and use the More Options menu to perform app and container operations. Security is always a concern for users managing multiple gateways and end devices that contain sensitive information such as passwords and user data. Communication between Cassia's gateways, end devices, application server, and AC is always encrypted. Let's see these features in the Settings page. Under Developer Account for RESTful APIs, we have the developer key and the developer secret. The user will need both to generate an access token for the AC RESTful API. Let's go to the AC Web Security section. The user can set the Access Control Allow Origin rule to restrict application access to AC resources like the AC RESTful API. For HTTPS, simply turn on Enable HTTPS and provide a server certificate and private key. For added security, the user may turn on Change Password every 60 days to require a login password change every 60 days. This has been a quick overview of the Cassia IoT Access Controller. If you would like to see a demo of the IoT Access Controller or any of our other Bluetooth IoT products, please contact us at sales@cassianetworks.com.